We are pleased to show you the 2019 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, heads-up display. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.